Hey folks, how we doing today? On today's episode with Cooking with Master Guns, we're going to be making poor man burnt ends. We're going to be using a chuck roast with some of our SuckleBusters SPG and our 3 Little Pigs barbecue sauce. So stay tuned. This baby's going to be good. Alright, we got them all cut up. We're going to start off by putting some of this 3 Little Pigs barbecue, and then we're going to follow them up with our SPG. They've been in for an hour. These burnt ends are all done. They were in the smoker for about 4 hours. Now it's time for testing. Tender. All right, folks, another great success. All right, thank you for joining us. Stay tuned for the next episode of Cooking with Master Guns.